Hey there, it's Jono Armstrong here, and in this video I want to give you a quick demo of how Equinox works. Now this is the actual training members area. This is the first thing that you're going to see after you get through the shopping cart. And here we have the introduction video. I give an explanation about how it works. And then there's monetization training inside of here, including how to monetize this traffic with CPA offers, ClickBank, simple affiliate offers, and also list building. I go into a lot more detail on this inside of the Pro version as well, and then you can access the upgrades inside of here too. Now, the actual software itself can be accessed via this module here where it says using the software. Through the software tutorial, there's actually a button down below this video which will take you through to the software access, and once you've logged in using the credentials that are sent to you via email, then you'll be inside the dashboard, which looks like this. Now, fundamentally, Equinox will be able to help you to find dead links inside of other people's YouTube videos, which you can easily revive and then redirect that traffic to an offer, a CPA offer, an affiliate offer, a website, a lead generation page, a local business. Wherever you want that traffic to go, you can decide where you want that to go. But it all starts with this research here. So I'm inside of the app here, and if I go to keywords, this is going to allow me to search for longer tail keywords, which will give me more of a chance of finding a video that has these broken links inside of it. So I'm just going to search for weight loss. Okay, so I'm going to hit search, and what this is going to do is going to bring up all of these different variations of this seed keyword that I've just put in. So you can see we've got weight loss pills, weight loss calculator, weight loss surgery, weight loss programs, weight loss shakes, etc., etc. Now a good one to use here could be weight loss foods. Okay, so if I want to go with this keyword, all I would need to do is click on this magnifying glass here, and what this is going to do is take me through to the research section of Equinox, and this will allow me to search and refine my search even more. So if you have one of the upgrades which will allow you to search with Wikipedia, you'll not only be able to search via YouTube, but also inside this drop down menu you'll be able to search via Wikipedia as well. But for this demo I'm just going to show you how this works on YouTube. So I've selected YouTube, my keyword is weight loss foods. Now the upload date, this means that when the actual videos were uploaded to YouTube. Now by default this is set to be around 6 months prior to the date that you're searching. And that means that the video is a little bit old and there's more chance of there being a dead link inside of the description of that YouTube video. So I've left it at default. You can then set the order by a relevance or view count. I'm going to set mine by view count, and I'm going to set it to search 10 pages. Now 10 pages is the maximum that you can search with the front end. With the Pro upgrade then you can search for a lot more, but I'm just going to leave this at 10. Ignore domains. This is stuff like big websites like Twitter, Instagram, places like that, which are not really relevant. I mean, you can't really hijack a Twitter domain because it's obviously going to belong to somebody else. So we're only going to be searching for domains that are available for us to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on create. Okay, and then this is going to start searching through all of the YouTube videos on YouTube that are to do with weight loss foods. And as you can see, it's starting to populate. It's checked 433 videos so far. There's 443 videos available. 443 have been checked. 224 links have been scraped. And then there's 7 target links. And once this is finished processing, we'll be able to see the results down below. Okay, so this is finished processing, and it's giving us all of the target links that are available on these videos. So there's this video here. It does have a broken link inside of it, but the domain is not available yet. So what we can do here is we can select the actions down here, and we can choose to have it remind us through the domain reminders as soon as this domain becomes available, then we can pick it up and we can redirect it to one of our pages or one of our affiliate links. So this one is not available either, not available yet, but down here you can see that there in this video right here there's a couple of domains that are available for us to pick up. And now this video only has 1,665 views, so it's not going to be a brilliant video for us to use, but for the purpose of this demonstration I'm showing you how this actually works. So you would want to find a video that has at least a couple of 100,000 views, and then you'll be able to siphon the traffic from the people that click on these dead links that are currently going to a dead link expired page, you'll be able to revive that domain and you'll be able to send it to anywhere you like. Now on ClickBank there is a ton of different weight loss related offers, especially to do with different foods for weight loss, and you could easily you redirect this dead link to a weight loss offer or a food related offer on ClickBank, for which you'll be compensated for with commissions. So what you can do from here is you can simply click on save to save this for later, or you can directly click on either GoDaddy or Namecheap, and that will take you through to either GoDaddy or Namecheap, where you can see this domain and you can go and pick this up directly. Okay, so once you've picked it up, it's just a very simple 2-minute process to redirect that link to your affiliate offer or your weight loss related page, and then all of the traffic from the people that are watching this video and clicking on these links will go redirectly to your affiliate offers or your pages. So this is a great way to make some money online from other people's videos. You don't need to create any content yourself. You don't need to create any videos yourself. You don't need to upload anything. You simply use Equinox to seek out the domains that are currently broken in the descriptions of people's YouTube videos, and then you'll simply use Equinox to go to either GoDaddy or Namecheap, revive those links and redirect them to your affiliate links or your pages or anywhere on the internet that you want to send this traffic. So thank you for watching this quick demo, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside.